Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? I think yesterday we were discuss about the scheme number 3, which is written over here. Still scheme number 3, possible mechanism for coupling Grignard's reagent with maleimide, that is a compound number 1, or we can call it as a precursor or the starting material, and the intramolecular cyclization involving position specific allelic rearrangement. And that scheme, when compound number 1 treated with that specific reagent under suitable reaction condition, we are getting the possible structure second, and that structure second, when the magnesium complex is formed, then we have shown, or they have shown as a that how there is a possible mechanism of that which is represented in structure number 3, and that structure number 3 how the possible mechanism converted into as a structure number 4, which we have seen in our scheme number 2. And after that 4, when it is treated with the suitable reagent and the proper reaction condition, maintaining as a proper temperature, we are getting the possible structure of 5, then possible mechanism of 5 will be converted into as a possible structure or the intermediate compound number 6, and that possible compound number 6 will be converted into as a possible compound 7, and that compound 7 will be converted into as a disfavored structure 8A, and one is a favored structure, that is a favored transition state 8A, that is shown over here, favored transition state, and that favored transition state is converted into this type of the intermediate, we can call it, or the product which we got over here, and which is the structure number plus minus 9. This is the allelic rearrangement are depicted in a scheme number 3, and that is a scheme number 3. On the basis of controlled experiment described in scheme 4, the 1:2 addition of Grignard's reagent to maleimide 1 takes place first and forms the magnesium complex 2, which internally activate lactam moiety for in situ 1,4 addition of Grignard's reagent and delivers the lactamol 4. And that lactamol 4 means where the hydroxy group is present and the amide group, and that type of the structure, that 4 is known as a lactamol. Lactamol 4 lactamol structure number 4 on treatment with 2 normal HCl hydrochloric acid underwent amide nitrogen driven dehydration to form the diene intermediate 7, which on selective rearrangement of the double bond followed by distereoselective intramolecular cyclization directly resulted in the essential product, that is a plus minus 9, which is represented here. The in situ allelic rearrangement was eventually useful to approximately tailor the carbon chain at an angular position. Mechanically, above mentioned intramolecular pictet Spengler cyclization takes place via flat immium ion intermediate, and the incoming nucleophile approaches from less hindered side in the favored intermediate 8b, resulting in syn product plus minus 9. And now the next one we are going to discuss about the scheme number 4. So far we have seen as a scheme number 3. Now let's begin with the scheme number 4. What will be the heading given to that scheme? That also we are going to discuss over here. So let's begin with that scheme number 4, which I am representing over here. Let's see over here. That is a scheme number 4. Heading is like this: model studies on Grignard's addition to imides allelic rearrangement, isolation of the proposed dyne, intermediate and intramolecular cyclization, intermediate and intramolecular cyclization. So that is a big heading given to that scheme number 2, scheme number 4. See once again 4, model studies on Grignard's addition to imides allelic rearrangement, isolation of the proposed dyne, intermediate and the intramolecular cyclization. Now let's begin with the structure representation. So as we know that the structure of maleimide, that is a compound number 1, which I am showing over here like this. Here this is as we know that this is a compound number C double bond O over here. This is a succinimide type of the compound moiety, and this is the indole moiety, and that is known as a maleimide, and this is nothing but as a structure number 1. Got it? Now when this structure number 1 will be treated with allyl magnesium chloride, taken as a 2.2 equivalent, 2.2 equivalent THF tetrahydrofuran used as a solvent, and the temperature is kept 78 degrees centigrade to 0 degrees centigrade, and this reaction mixture was stirred for 3 hours, and after the completion of reaction the product will be obtained, and that product I am representing here, I am writing here, so you can see properly. This is a indole moiety. After that, N, one of the carbonyl group remains as it is, but in other carbonyl group there is a allylic group is introduced to this, and that is a structure number 19, which is represented in the square bracket, means possible structure of this, which is represented over here. Still alpha beta unsaturated compound remains there, or this is a lactam which we got over here. On this lactamol, when this lactamol treated with the reagents like 2 normal HCl hydrochloric acid, then solvent THF tetrahydrofuran, here the temperature 0 degree centigrade to 25 degree centigrade, stirred for 5 hours, the overall yield obtained will be 85%, and the product here, due to addition, that there will be a removal of hydroxyl group, and yes, removal of hydroxyl group takes place here, and the product which we are going to get is this one. Let's see, this is the indole moiety which remains as it is. Here I am representing double bond, then on this side this CH2 remains as it, then nitrogen 5 membered ring, here carbonyl alpha beta unsaturated, and after removal of hydroxy, and you will get as a this type of the compound, and this compound is nothing but as a compound number 20. This is the compound number 20. When this compound number 20, further assume that this compound number 20, when it is further treated with the reagent, but that is not possible, this is the not symbol, only that is a imagination. Allyl magnesium, here is a allyl magnesium chloride, which is taken as a 2.2 equivalent, followed by, not followed, that is a THF solvent, temperature kept 78 degrees centigrade to 25 degrees centigrade, and this reaction mixture stirred for 12 hours, and then no 1,4, here is a no 1,4 addition in absence of, no 1,4 addition, no 1,4 addition in absence of CuBr. CuBr. That is a condition that is not there. So we will not get the compound like this one, which is a compound number 20, which I am representing over here. Let's see here. This is a compound. This is a moiety which remains as it is, but here the possible or the tentative structure I am representing over here, C double bond O, then double bond over here, one possibility, that is allylic group, another group which is attached over here, double bond, that is a introduction of allylic compound, and that is a possible structure of 21, which is represented here, and that 21 further converted into another structure I am showing over here by denoting the symbol like this. Instead of this 21, you may get this type of the compound, uncertain compound. This is a moiety which remains as it is, and the CH2 and their N, double bond O, this type of the compound you may get over here, and that is a compound number is 22. This is a compound number 22 which we got over here. This is a compound number 22 which we got in this case, and after 22, this is a compound number 22. When this compound number 22, when treated with the reagents like here allyl magnesium chloride, that is a 2.2 equivalent, THF tetrahydrofuran minus 78 degrees centigrade to 0 degrees centigrade to 0 degrees centigrade. The reaction mixture stirred for 3 hours, and after adding these reagents and maintaining these reaction condition, the product which we are going to get, that will be the lactomal. This is the structure which we are going to get over here. This, here is a nitrogen, then this one, here is a hydroxy group, that allylic group remains here, and C double bond O, and that structure is nothing but again represented in the square bracket, means it is a tentative or the possible structure of this. After adding this reagent, we will get possible structure like this, and after that 24, 23, when there is an addition of the reagent like as a 2 normal HCl, hydrochloric acid, then solvent used as a THF tetrahydrofuran, 0 degree centigrade, and 0 degree centigrade, and stirred for only as a 20 minutes, and you will get, they had got 78% overall yield, and the product which they got is a E20. So let us see here, this is a structure which I am representing here, NH double bond, this remains as it is, whereas here N, then this is a compound C double bond O. Here removal of hydroxy. Here you are going to get as a double bond, and then this is a E, that is E24. This is we are going to get E means E24. Why E? And again E and Z depending upon this compound, that is a carbon-carbon double bond, where we can assign we can give E or Z configuration. So it is a 24, and that 24 structure number 24 when treated with the reagents like this one. Let us see what are the reagent we are adding here. 2 normal HCl, 2 normal hydrochloric acid in presence of tetrahydrofuran as solvent, then 0 degree centigrade to 25 degree centigrade, stored for 3 hours, and the overall yield obtained will be 82%. And the structure which we are going to get, that is the structure number 25. And how that, let's see, this is a structure number 25 I am representing over here. So here just there is a shifting of one of the bond over here. So let's see here N, this is a C double bond O, here double bond, this is the structure, and that structure number is scored as a 25. This is the structure number 25 which we got over here, and this is the one way which is represented in a scheme number. This is represented in the scheme number 20, that is represented in scheme number 4 which we have seen over here. And therefore, let us see the reaction of malinide 1. We are discussing about the scheme number 4. Reaction of malinide 1 with a 2.20 equivalent of allyl magnesium chloride at minus 78 degree centigrade exclusively formed the lactomol intermediate 19, which is represented in a scheme number 4. The sensitive lactomol 90 on immediately performed acid induced intramolecular cyclization furnished to the corresponding alpha beta unsaturated lysinoindolone 20 in 85% yield without an allylic rearrangement. The indolone 20 did not undergo 1,4 addition of Grignard's reagent in absence of cuprous bromide due to the lack of substrate or reagent activation. The witness in situ allylic rearrangement was specific to the succinamide derived lactomoles, and it was feasible to isolate and exclusively formed diene intermediate 24 in the model transformation of succinamide 22 to indolysinoindolone 25. The exclusive formation of relatively more stable diene E24 could be attributed to the effective conjugation of a lone pair on the nitrogen atom. Direct transformation of two different types of carbon-carbon double bonds in compound plus minus 9 via dihydroxylation, oxidative cleavage and reduction to the corresponding product plus minus diol 12 was low yielding. The stepwise transformation of terminal and internal olefin in compound plus minus 9 initially provided primary alcohol plus minus 11 in a 93% yield, and then the desired plus minus diol 12 in 87% yield, that is, which is represented as scheme number 2. The structure of advanced intermediate plus minus diol 12 was unambiguously established by X-ray crystallography data, which also confirm the formation of Sheen addition, Sheen product plus minus 9 in the above mentioned Pictet-Splengler cyclization. Bulk protection of indole nitrogen atom and two primary alcohol in compound plus minus 12 provided the required product plus minus 13 in quantitative yield. Condensation of plus minus lactam 13 with acetaldehyde followed by methylation of the formed alcohol and stereoselective elimination of methylate delivered the column chromatographically separable mixture of alpha beta unsaturated lactam plus minus 15A as a major product in 88% yield and plus minus 15B as a minor product in 7% yield over 3 steps. As expected, the vinylic proton, a major E isomer plus minus 15A, was more deshielded, which is 6.56 ppm parts per million compared to the corresponding minor Z isomer plus minus 15B 5.21, which is represented in a scheme number. So, corresponding minor Z isomer plus minus 15B 5.82 ppm due to the 5-membered peri interaction with gamma lactam carbonyl. Alane reduction of a lactam carbonyl in compound plus minus 15 to plus minus amine 16 in 92% yield followed by trifluoroacetic acid induced deprotation of the Bock groups furnish the known plus minus diol 7 in 96% yield. A 1.3 step transformation of plus minus diol 17 under Zhai and co-workers condition delivered the desired plus minus sabine-canadine E18 in 60% yield. The analytical and spectral data obtained for plus minus diol 17 and plus minus sabine-canadine E18 were in complete agreement with the reported data. And I think with this, let us stop today's lecture. Remaining scheme number 5 we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.